Hello fellas, it's me again. I was rooting in the garage again and I found this little fan heater. The thermostat works good, but unfortunately it doesn't work. The switch just spins and doesn't do anything. Yeah, I was going to throw this straight in the bin, but I just happened to turn it over and I saw these three words here. It says made in England, which is quite interesting, and this date code here, if it's anything like Philips lamps, then that means December 1992. So because it's made in England, I'll give it a shot of fixing it. Yep, that's all. The problem was the shaft which fits over the switch is cracked. I'll glue that up and make it nice and pretty. I'll take it outside and blow all the shit out of it as well. Even the plug is made in England. Normally everything's China these days. Well, it's a good little heater, fixed for free. It even has a little neon lamp instead of an LED. Shows you how old it is. Oh well, thanks for watching. Yeah, she's cleaned up quite nice. I was wrong in the date code. L2 is not 1992, it's 2002. 2L would be 1992. So, fan only. $33 watts. Economy. Oh, it's turned off because it's the thermostat. Economy is 1500 watts. Oh, I can feel it already. Bloody hell. Ooh, fucking hell. That thing's chucking out some heat. Number 2 is the full 3 kilowatts. Bloody hell, I'm going to have to move. That is powerful. And this one switches between high and low depending on the thermostat. But that's using 3 kilowatts exactly, and that is chucking the heat out. Oh well, that should come in handy when the winter comes in the conservatory to supplement the electric fire in there. Thanks for watching.